This is Dr. Abhinav. So recently I've been getting many questions in Telegram group and in YouTube regarding how to apply for this UPSC CMS exam. So I wanted to make this video before itself, but due to some reasons I couldn't make it. So I thought I'll make it now. And in this video I've explained step by step like how you can apply for this exam, and if you have any doubts then you can definitely comment on it in here itself, or you can comment in the Telegram group. And yeah, so before we start, if you still haven't subscribed, you can subscribe the channel and stay updated about exams and other notifications. So let's start. So before we start, if you want this CMS preparation ebook, if you wish to purchase it, then the link to purchase is in description. You can see all these contents here, and it will be very helpful to boost your ranks, and it will be very helpful for this upcoming exam. You can also get it with INI-CET ebook plus free CMS interview ebook, or TNMRB, or Kerala, or Rajasthan medical officer ebooks. So all the things regarding this, it's in description, go check out. Yeah, so before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our Telegram group, make sure you join so that you can ask your questions there, we can discuss, and you can stay updated. So first, if you want to apply for this UPSC CMS exam, first know about this exam. I have already made many videos about it, so you can go and check in the YouTube page itself. I've made videos on it, so know about it. And then if you want to apply, so you will have to see this link that I have mentioned above. Go to this link, you will be getting this page. So this is the front page of UPSC CMS UPSC main web page. So once you go here, you can see here there is something called as one-time registration for examinations. So you'll have to click this. So once you click it, you will be directed to a page like this. And in this, if you have already registered previously last year or before that, then you can apply that same email ID and or same mobile number, and you can get a OTP, and with that OTP you can enter. But most of them had told that the previous OTPs, the previous numbers or emails they have entered, but they're not getting the OTP. So don't worry. Even I had this, I had tried this, so I faced the same issue. So then alternate for this, what you can do is you can click this new registration. Sorry, you can click this new registration here, and enter the mobile number which you have already used. Try it. If it's working, uh, then it will show that this number is already exists, or if it is not showing like that, then you can proceed with the same number and apply as a new registration. Okay, so this is what you can do. Try this initially. If you're not getting it, then register, go to this new registration and register with your mobile number or email ID. So once you do this registration, you will be entering to a web page which will be asking your uh, name and some other details, and it will give you an OTR ID. So make sure you remember this ID, make note of this ID, it is very important. So once you enter all these details such as class 10 board examination roll number, all these things, you will be directed to this page. Then you will be asking to type your mobile number and email ID, and you will be getting OTPs in both, and you will have to verify your details. So once you are done with it, again you will be registered to this same page, directed to the same page. Now you will be asked to enter a password, so you'll have to enter new password and confirm it. So once you are done with all these things, you will be entering this page which will be showing all these details to fill the application form. Make sure you read all these things, and most importantly these photo size, pixels, everything matters. So make sure you have it as requested by the UPSC CMS. So once you are inside this page, what you'll have to go is go to this latest notification and click it, and you'll be entering a page like this. So these are the latest examination notifications. So in that you will see this combined medical service 2024. So just to this, click this, click here for part 1 registration. So you'll have to go and click here. Once you click this, you will be directed to a page like this, and again you will be getting the instructions which you'll have to carefully make note of. So once you read all these, you will have the OK button. You press the OK button and you will be entering the application form for CMS 2024. So once you come here, again same, you will be asked many details, basically your general details in part 1 registration. And once you are done with this, this is the most important thing. If you are belonging to OPC community, then there is something called as creamy layer. Creamy layer is your annual family income. If it is less than 8 lakhs, then you fall into the creamy layer, non-creamy layer. Okay. Yeah. So non-creamy layer. If it is more than 8 lakhs, then you come in the creamy layer, and so you will not be getting the OBC benefits. So you will be considered as a OBC creamy layer, but those candidates will be pulled into the unreserved category. If you're OBC and you come under the non-creamy layer, then you will be getting this benefits of OBC. So if your annual salary is less than 8 lakhs, then you come into the non-creamy layer. Okay, so make sure about this thing. Okay, if it is more than 8 lakhs, then you will be considered as a creamy layer. So if you have typed here, do you belong to creamy layer? No. So it means that you belong to the OBC category non-creamy layer, which is your annual salary is income is less than 8 lakhs. So to get the benefits of this non-creamy layer, you will have to show this community certificate, OBC community certificate, which is showing that you belong to the non-creamy layer. So how to get this certificate? To get this certificate, you will have to uh, apply it online. You can go to the nearest e-seva center or any network centers nearby and ask them that you want to apply this non-creamy layer OBC certificate. So they will be asking a couple of documents and they will apply it. So make sure you do this as soon as possible, because there is a date limit. So you can see here. So it should be issued uh, at these. So make sure you read all these dates and do it properly. So once this is sorted out, then you will go to the educational qualifications, and you can comment on it here if you have already passed or the written exam, or you are still writing. So you'll have to mention this, and then some basic details such as address and all those things. Once you are done with this, they will be coming to this page. If you are claiming for age relaxation, then press yes and fill the details. If not, press no. And once this is done, you will be coming to this photo ID card. So whatever photo ID card and number that you are giving, so make sure you carry it in the exam hall also, and during the time of interview also. So this will be your main ID card, and upload all the photograph and all those things here. So once you are done with this, you will be sent to the payment part, and then photograph and signature you will have to upload as per the UPSC guidelines, and you will select the center, and you will be filling a form called as agreeing to declaration, and your registration is done with this. So this is a thing which it's a basic step-by-step explanation, but in this you may have many minute doubts and details on how to do. So to answer those things, you can join this Telegram group and you can post your question there. So if there are someone like facing the same problem like what you are facing, then you can both connect and sort it out, because many people might be facing different issues. So whoever knows about it, it's better to ask them and sort it out. And again, coming back, it is all what I have wanted to tell you. So if you have any doubts, then you can still comment it down and get these ebooks if you're interested. Thank you.